Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/3 by 1/2. We're going to break this down into simple steps to ensure it's easy to understand. First, let's examine our fractions. We have 1/3, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 3 is the denominator, the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 3 equal parts. Now, let's look at the second fraction, 1/2. Here, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. This fraction signifies one part out of 2 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we simply multiply their numerators together and then their denominators together. Multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 3 times 2 gives us 6. Therefore, 1/3 multiplied by 1/2 equals 1/6. That's our final answer. It's really that straightforward. The fraction 1/6 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.